Hello, welcome to today's edition of Scholar Tutorials. In this edition, we are going to talk about scheme of work. When you log in with your email and password, at the left hand side where you see the navigation, you scroll to teacher resources and we click on scheme of work. Now you have this interface. You can use the form to search for a specific scheme of work that you are looking for, whether you filter by class, academic year or term. Now you have the scheme of work over here, listed over here, and then we have the form where you can copy scheme of work for a previous academic year onto the new academic year, and later you can edit it as well. Now if we want to create a new scheme of work, we click on new scheme of work. We have this form. We'll select the academic year, the term, the subject is already selected, the teacher is already selected, and we will select our class. Now if you teach multiple subjects, you can select the subject over here, and then your name is already selected. Now we have 4 rows at default. So once you go to scheme of work, we have 4 rows. Now the first one that you need to do is to select the week number. So once you select week 1, the rest of the rows are auto-filled for you. So now the second row becomes week 2, the third row becomes week 3, and then week 4. Then you can continue by selecting the dates, the first date. Now the system knows that the first week is starting from 16th. So once I select 16th of February, the rest is auto-filled for me because it knows that week 1 is from 16th to 20th, and then the week 2 is also auto-filled up to week 4. If I want to add additional 1 row, I can click on add week, and then it adds additional 1 row for me. If I want to delete, I can also click on the delete icon here, and it removes 1 row for me. If I want to add 4 rows at a go, I can click on add 4 weeks, and then it gives me additional 4 weeks. I can click on this to remove them. Now when I'm done with everything, and then I'm sure and certain that everything is done, I can now click on create scheme of work, and then the scheme of work will be saved for me. And then I can come here, and then I can click on it to view the scheme of work. I can print it. I can come back to my scheme of work. Thank you.